Hi there, Michael Brine here from Rowan University's GeoLab. Welcome to New Jersey Map's video tutorial series. In this video, I'll introduce and briefly overview NJMap and some of the uses of its project suite. New Jersey Map, or NJMap, is an effort by the Rowan University GeoLab in collaboration with a number of funders, conservation and environmental groups, state agencies, and academics. We host a suite of interactive, publicly available web mapping tools that each focus on a different environmental, land use, or sustainability issue in New Jersey. Our vision is to make statewide GIS data relatable, actionable, and easy to understand. NJMap is free to use. Check out our map gallery for a quick glimpse of how people use NJMap. For example, click here and look at urban development over the course of 3 decades in New Jersey. Keep up with us on Facebook by liking our page. There's a steady stream of posts you can find here and directly on our website. Jump to projects and you'll see a wide variety, each with a different goal and set of partners and funders. Click them to learn more. Once you know what you're coming to NJMap for, you can quickly jump to it at the top. Lastly, do not hesitate to contact us. We're always happy to help and hear from users. If your question wasn't answered in the video, check out our channel. We have other tutorial videos that might have what you're looking for.